Good morning, dear students. In chapter 14, water, chapter completed, and today I will give exercises. Lesson 14, water. First one is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, a wet towel dries due to the process of evaporation. A wet towel dries due to the process of evaporation. Clouds are formed due to the dash of water vapor. Condensation of water vapor. Condensation of water vapor. The condensation in clouds takes place on dust particles. Dust particles. The water cycle is powered by the heat of the sun and the force of gravity. No rainfall for many years may lead to drought in that region. First one in fill in the blanks. First one is the evaporation. Second one condensation. Third one dust. Fourth gravity. Fifth drought. Fifth drought. Now come to the statements. Second one is the statements. Statements, first one. Slow change of water into water vapor is called condensation. Slow change of water into water vapor is called condensation, is called evaporation. Slow change of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Water vapor is called evaporation. Slow change of water into water vapor is called evaporation. Second one is the release of water vapor from plants is called evaporation. The release of water vapor from plants is called transpiration. The release of water vapor from plants is called transpiration. Second one is the release of water vapor from plants is called the transpiration. Third one, clouds are formed when condensation of water vapor takes place on ice particles. Third one, Clouds are formed when 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 condensation of water vapor condensation of water vapor takes place on dust particles. Takes place on dust particles. Clouds are formed when condensation of water vapor take place on dust particles. Fourth one is the steam rises from moist cloths on ironing. Steam rises from moist cloths on steam rises from moist cloths on heating. This is the statements. You have first you will write the incorrect statements, then you have to write the correct statements. You can see from there. Next one is the match the statement. Third one, match the following. Match the following. Match the following. First one, a mixture of water vapor, dust particles and air on high altitude. A mixture of water vapor, dust particles on high altitude. Cloud. Journey of water from ocean to land and back to ocean. Water cycle. Water cycle. Collection of rooftop rainwater. Water harvesting. Water harvesting. A situation caused by no air for a year, that is a drought. Cloud, water cycle, water harvesting, drought. Collection of rooftop rainwater, water harvesting, and first one is the match the following. First one, clouds. Second one, water cycle. Third one, water harvesting. Fourth one, drought. Now come to the statements. Fourth one, true, false. True, false. First one, change of water into water vapor is called condensation. Change of water into water vapor is called condensation. False. First one, false. Second one, Formation of clouds takes place when cold air mixes with warm air. False. Third one, hail is a solid state of water. True. Hail is the solid state of water. True. Fourth one, rooftop rainwater harvesting is a good method of water condensation. False. Fifth, water drops appears on the inner surface of a tumbler containing ice. Water drops appear on the inner surface of a tumbler containing ice. False. Fifth one, false. Sixth one, water vapor is present in air during monsoon only. Water vapor is present in air during monsoon only. False. And next one is the evaporation takes place only in sunlight. True. In true, false. First one, false. Second one, false. Third one, true. Fourth one, false. Fifth one, false. Sixth one, false. Seventh one, true. So till here you have to write in your GSC copy, and roll number 1 to 10 can submit all the subject notebooks in the office.